Hi friends! Today I thought I'd try something different with a little voiceover while I repair my sister's pants. As you can see, there is a big hole at the seam. Luckily the seam is not ripped. This is just a mistake that was made during the production of the pants. So I don't need to repair the whole seam, but just have to close the gap. For that I'm using the backstitch. I often use this stitch because it's pretty simple and is supposed to be elastic, so it's good for materials with a little stretch. If you search for hand sewing and backstitch here on YouTube, you will find a lot of good tutorials for this stitch. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this kind of voiceover. But please be kind, English is not my native language. Yeah, but let me know if I should do this more often or if you prefer the silent repairs. That's fine too. Anyway, the hole is now closed and my sister can wear the pants again. I hope you liked this video and I see you next week. Bye!